Alex camera where things are pretty calm this morning. It is trending a little bit less calm by tomorrow morning. So calm today. We're watching for a chance for rain, thunderstorms, heavy rainfall that could impact your morning commute on Thursday morning. So that's something we're really going to have to keep an eye out for. Right now on this Wednesday, 77 degrees. It does look like temperatures are going to get rather hot before the stormy weather really arrives. Yes, we do have a chance for a spotty isolated shower, very similar to what we've seen yesterday and the day before. So a spotty shower is possible through the morning and early afternoon, but this isn't the big weather that we've been talking about, the impact alert that we have in place. That's coming up later this evening. So your weather impact alert for today is it is still warm, by the way. We still have a major heat risk across much of the region. We're talking heat index values getting above 105, possibly up to 110 again this afternoon. So it's going to be nice and hot and humid and steamy. If you are having to work outside in these conditions, make sure you're staying hydrated. Then we're talking scattered storms and rainfall. First, there's going to be a broken line of storms moving through with a weak cold front. It is technically a cold front because our temperatures are going to fall. They're just not going to be cold by any means. Then we'll see another round of rainfall possible early Thursday, pending how the front stalls. So if the front does stall in just the perfect place, then we're going to wind up with a lot more rainfall into Thursday morning. If it gets further south than we expect, then our rain chances may start to trend down a little bit into Thursday morning. But right now we're right in the target zone for some pretty heavy rainfall on Thursday. These are your current conditions, so I'm not showing you what Thursday morning will look like. This is what it looks like if you're getting ready to head out the door right now. We are watching this cold front. As you can see, it's broken. There's actually more of a squall line that's tracking right along the front instead of ahead of the front, right? And so that kind of makes the storms come in pieces. It doesn't mean it's going to be a guarantee that you have stormy weather as the front passes by. There's going to be these clusters based on where the upper level energy is that will be moving through the area. Temperatures, look at this, it's 57 in Amarillo. Meanwhile, it's 80 degrees on the front side of this front here in San Antonio. The greatest risk of severe weather today is from San Antonio into East Texas and then down into South Texas, including Corpus Christi and the coastal bend. This is a level 1 marginal risk of severe weather, which means an isolated storm. So one of the storms or a couple of the storms and that entire area covered in green could produce some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And we're seeing that now this morning. There was a severe thunderstorm warning near the San Angelo area that has since expired. There's one into southern Arkansas. So not the whole line of storms are strong to severe, but they are producing some heavy rainfall and some gusty wind. As the cold front, this is the front right about here, starts to approach the coastal bend, really San Antonio I-10 by 5 o'clock. Houston area is getting stormy around 4 p.m., but look what happens into Corpus Christi. The line kind of breaks. So we have this really kind of scattered, broken line of storms that moves in. It's not a guarantee everyone sees rain, but with the front kind of stalling into Thursday morning, that could be more so our target zone for some heavy rainfall. Into Thursday afternoon, we lose a lot of our storm energy, and by football game time, we're looking pretty clear across the area. So this is a very boom or bust style forecast. We could see over 2 inches for some, meanwhile less than 1/10 of an inch for others. In your 7-day forecast, once the rain does clear out, we are trending drier, and I'm calling it pleasant. It's not quite comfortable humidity levels, but it's going to feel much better than it has been these last couple of days. Barbie, John Thomas.